Understanding Terrain Park, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, terrain park. This term is often used in outdoor sports, and understanding it can enrich your vocabulary, especially if you're interested in outdoor activities. A terrain park is a designated area at a ski resort designed for snowboarding and skiing. These parks contain various features like rails, jumps, and half-pipes that allow athletes to perform tricks. Think of it as a playground for snow sports enthusiasts. Terrain parks vary in difficulty, catering to beginners, intermediates, and advanced participants. In this section, let's break down the common features you'll find in a terrain park. 1. Jumps. These are ramps made of snow. Skiers and snowboarders gain air after launching off these jumps. 2. Rails. Similar to those in skateboarding. These are metal bars on which athletes slide. 3. Boxes. Wider than rails, boxes are easier for beginners to navigate. 4. Half pipes. Large U-shaped structures that allow for high aerial tricks. Safety is paramount in a terrain park. It's important to wear appropriate gear, like helmets, and to tackle features that match your skill level. Most parks have signs indicating the difficulty of each feature. Terrain parks are not just limited to one region. They can be found in ski resorts worldwide. Each park has its unique design and features, offering a diverse experience for snow sports enthusiasts. Terrain parks also have a unique culture. They're places where people share a passion for snow sports, learn from each other, and enjoy the thrill of the sport. It's a community where respect and camaraderie are highly valued. That's all about terrain parks. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a terrain park is and what you can expect from it. Whether you're planning to visit one or just expanding your English vocabulary, we hope this information has been helpful. Stay safe and keep learning.